Hey there, moneymakers! Are you ready to learn how to make cash while snoozing? Yep, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into some super exciting passive income ideas that could have your bank account growing while you catch those Z's. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is passive income? In simple terms, it's the cash flow that comes in without you having to put in a ton of effort. This is what everyone dreams of, right? In 2024, achieving financial freedom is more important than ever, and passive income can be a game changer. Let's unlock this treasure chest together. All right, let's be real for a second. How many of you are tired of hustling every single day, grinding away just to make ends meet? I mean, wouldn't it be amazing if you could just kick back, binge your favorite show, and still see money rolling in? Yeah, me too. The struggle is real, but guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. Now let's get into the meat of the matter. Here's a list of some creative passive income ideas you can start exploring right now. First up, we have dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits just for holding on to them. It's like getting paid for being a fan. Next, consider real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. They allow you to invest in real estate without having to deal with tenants or toilets. You invest in a company that owns and manages properties, and you get a cut of the rental income. Sweet deal, right? How about creating digital products? Think ebooks, online courses, or printables. Once you create them, you can sell them over and over again without any extra effort. It's all about that initial investment of time and creativity. And let's not forget about affiliate marketing. By promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your link, you can turn your blog, website, or social media into a money-making machine. Now, let's spice things up. One of the most surprising passive income ideas is peer-to-peer lending. You can lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms and earn interest. It's like being the bank, but way cooler. Another hot tip? Print-on-demand services. You design and they print and ship. Easy peasy. I want to hear from you. What's your experience with passive income? Have you tried any of these ideas, or do you have a unique one of your own? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm excited to see what you all come up with. And hold on to your hats, because the most impactful strategy we're discussing today is creating a subscription-based service. Imagine building a community, offering exclusive content, and charging a monthly fee. The potential is huge, and it could seriously change your financial future. So there you have it. These passive income strategies not only have the potential to boost your income, but also pave the way to financial independence. Just think about all the freedom you can gain when your money is working for you while you sleep. If you liked what you learned today, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and share your favorite passive income idea in the comments. And hey, check out my other videos for even more tips on making money. Until next time, keep dreaming big and hustling smart.